Aloha, my name is Joshua Hancock. I'm the Food and Beverage Director at the Honolulu Museum of Art. And today I'm going to show you folks how to make cold brew coffee from home. I love cold brew coffee because it's smooth, it's strong, and it's low in acidity compared to regular iced coffee. It has a much wider range of flavors as well. For my recipe, I use 3 ounces of ground coffee, and you're going to want to coarsely grind it. You're going to add it to a 1-quart mason jar and fill it with filtered water, give it a stir, let it settle, stir it one more time, and then cover it and put it in the fridge for about 18 hours. After that, you can filter that coffee mix through a paper coffee filter and then pour your cold brew into a glass with ice and enjoy your cold brew coffee. Remember, stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.